You know, there's a reason I don't dress in shorts and a t-shirt when it's snowing outside. Oh, outside, it's beginning to look a lot like winter. However, inside some of your customers' garages, their vehicles are still equipped for the summer. If your customers still aren't prepared for the winter weather when they come in for service, like sporting summer tires or using torn up wiper blades, it's time to get their car ready for winter. Let's discuss how to prepare your customers for winter weather. Tires should be one of the first things you inspect when preparing your customer's car for winter. For a good reason, too. They provide driving comfort and safety in colder months of the year, and they're made specifically to withstand winter conditions like ice, snow, and sleek roads. If your customers still have summer tires equipped, it's time to change them. Once the temperature drops, the rubber on the tires not made for winter conditions hardens, which reduces their overall grip strength. Suggesting winter or all-weather tires to customers is the first step to prepare them for harsh winter conditions. If customers already have a set of these tires equipped, inspect them. Make sure they're in good condition. Next, tell customers to top off their fluids. It's never a bad idea to change your customer's oil, replenish their wiper fluid, and add antifreeze to the engine coolant water. It's also important to check your customer's battery. Ask your customer if it's taking too long to start their car or if their lights are dim. If so, that might be a sign that it's time for a new battery. If the lights are dim and the battery is good to go, then it's time for new lights. Winter driving means encountering rain, sleet, snow, and longer periods of darkness, so your customers are going to be dependent on their lights a lot. Finally, if your customers are still dealing with the screeching sounds of old or broken wiper blades, they need to be replaced. Just tell them to make sure not to run their new blades over ice on the windshield. That's a good way to tear up those new blades and ruin them. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.